find this app real quick. Yeah, sucks. So, you know, Camry broke down, Blue broke down, and I am not about to walk, so let's get an Uber. All right, my ride is here. And man, that shit is loud. What the? What's up, fool?
Yo.
Damn, you guys are quick with that Uber service, I'll tell you that much. What the fuck was that? What's going on, man? How you been? Everybody, S197. S197. I just.
Wow.
Everybody, S550 Evan right here. Make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. Trust me, he needs it. Man, I'm on a roll today. Anyways, what we got going on? Gonna do some hooting type shit.
I'm gonna do some donuts.
Yo, is that a bottle opener on your shit? No way.
This is fucking fire.
That's sweet.
Dude, these are the Mustang Week officials.
Dude, speaking about Mustang Week, how ready are you?
Dog, I can't wait.
I know, dude. I was telling a lot of people that haven't been, it's like heaven on earth for a full week.
Look.
Like, don't you get depressed once you leave?
Yes.
It's just like, it's like, fuck, dude. Like, it's done. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another vlog on DerekBaranProductions. Obviously, you guys can see I'm with S550 Evan. We have S197 Ray. So, today, we really don't have a set plan for this video. But you know, when you have a couple Mustangs, you got some cameras, anything is possible, and you can have a lot of fun. Yo, why is this shit so loud? I was in put in 1.0. Yeah, dude. Anyways, I know the viewer's gonna ask what exhaust setup you're running on the car.
We got full exhaust, we got stainless works headers, 1 1/7 pitch, going to Corsair Extreme catback.
That Corsair Extreme is no joke. That's where that loud ass exhaust is coming from. That shit sounds good.
If neighbors don't like it, definitely don't get it.
Anyways, guys, like I said, there is really no set plan, but you know, we're kind of winging our own plans right now. So we're heading to this one spot you guys have seen before, and I know Ray over here with the S197 that's white, he wants to go ahead and rip a little burnout and probably some donuts. So, you know, that's always good vlog content right there. We're gonna have some fun with that. And that rev mash sounded awesome. But yeah, as soon as we get there, guys, we're gonna go ahead and pick up the vlog right on the Canon G7X. All right, so we made it to option number 1. This spot is where I did a little donut over there. Oh, wow. What were you saying? I know, I see you got your stockies on there. It's up to you. We can either, you know, do some shit right here, which unfortunately the street is right there, or on the other side of this building, it's pretty low key.
Yeah, they said it, but I said it first. So in a sense, I think these niggas first. That's why my fans in my show screaming, take me to church. No suit and tie, but baby, I go to work. Don't do it for the money, but that's one of the perks.
It's all up to you. Hit some donuts. Dude, that shit is ear piercing. I thought his was loud. I mean, his is loud. That shit's ridiculous, dude.
Hell yeah.
Yo, we should get out of here. Like, on some real shit, we gotta get out of here. Let me in! Right on a main road, bro. So, a little update. Obviously, you guys just heard and saw that. Absolutely loud as shit. I can't even describe it. I don't even know if this video is gonna do that justice, but dude, it's ear piercing. So, you know, with ear piercing cars like this, you know, hooning around, a lady actually jumped in her Expedition and like started chasing us on the phone. So I'm assuming she was on the phone with the cops. So yeah, what are we doing now? Little detour.
Yeah, shaking the spot.
Yeah, we're shaking the spot, and we are going to our next spot. So yeah, who knows? But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoy. And really quick, make sure you drop a thumbs up and go follow him as well as Ray. They're on the screen right here. And we're gonna have some more fun.
miles lighter than me, and he took the hit, so we're definitely not counting.
I'll give you that. He had the hit on you. I was saying though, if you guys would have started at the exact same time, dude, that would have been really close. It would have been really close.
Yeah,
but
I think we could have got him. So Mustang owners out there,
you guys have no idea. When that vet rolled up behind us, he said, "Oh look, a Corvette." I was like, "Bro, just race them. And he went the other way, unfortunately, because we were gonna make a whole video just on that. S550 takes on the Corvette, but we got one pull out of it. Anyways, guys, we are actually almost at the second spot, and this is where Ray's gonna do his burnout. I got some fun history for you guys as well, so we'll go over that once we get there. All right, son, we are here. I gotta talk to you about something. So look, low key, I've been at this spot before when someone did a burnout. Do you remember who it was?
Chris.
It was Chris, and you know that man, he lit him up. And you know if you don't tie it or beat it, you know you ain't gonna ever hear the end of it, right?
I know.
I'm sorry, dude. I mean, I had to plot this.
Oh no, man, we're gonna see what we can do.
You're gonna see. Well, I'm gonna hand you this. It's just that button right there. Right up here is the start and stop, and it's already on, so you're ready to rock and roll. Alright, there you have it. That was Ray's burnout, and I'm gonna throw Chris's on the screen right now. So you gotta compare them side by side. You about to do one? You gonna do one? Paul, you ripping one?
Huckleberry, smart Huckleberry! Alright, bet.
Alright, yeah, you gotta follow up. So Paul's actually gonna hit one as well, and then we're gonna dip out of here because this place does get hot. Alright, bro, you're left. You're the last one. Then we gotta roll out. How do you guys still have a license? You guys play with fire every day.
Shit, I'm ready to do a rolling.
Better not put this shit into the fucking trees. So loud. Alright, so we just got back to Evan's and Buster's house, so we're just gonna chill right now. Don't really know exactly what we're doing. Like I said, guys, this vlog is literally gonna be everywhere because there is no set plans. It's a Friday. Anyways, guys, we're gonna head inside, chill for a little bit, and I'll just keep you guys updated.
MTV Cribs.
Yeah, okay, MTV Cribs, let's do it.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm about to give you a tour of my crib. This thing is fat, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to the crib. You know what I'm saying? You walk in. Got your 55-inch TV right here. You know, a lot of shit goes down in this TV.
Yeah, a lot of porn, Evan.
Hey, just... I'm not.
He's too logged in. Damn, what are those, 305s?
305.
I love the RTRs, dude. Oh, you are getting bags. Dude, buy Damien's. So they got the RTRs back on, and I have to say, I haven't seen many white S197s, but Ray has definitely done this one right. Like, look at that. And he has a huge mod coming soon, or soon-ish. And this thing is just gorgeous. This is exactly why I can't wait to get one. So nice. But yes, so make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram as well. Here we go, we got a little plug right here. S197 Ray. Alright, Buster, I got a real important question for you.
Yeah.
What the fuck are those? Yeah, Peter Pan looking head ass. Alright, so we are out of here. I'm heading back home. Evan, where you guys going tomorrow?
I'm gonna hit the American Muscle show, man.
American Muscle.
In the Corsa booth, so.
There you go. If my car was done, I totally go. Yeah, guys, so I'm heading home now. Time went by really quick, actually, so as soon as I get home, we'll just pick this right back up. All right, everyone, welcome back to the vlog, and yes, I am now home. This is also about 2 days later, so I do apologize. I know this video is supposed to be posted last Friday, and it's being posted today on Monday. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be today's vlog. Tried to bring in, you know, like a fun video. Had Evan's S550 and Ray's S197 and Paul's S197 doing some fun stuff for us, so make sure you guys go check them out on Instagram. Links are in the description below. And really quick, guys, before I wrap up today's video, I have to announce this one thing that we did for Jordan. Well, that you guys did for Jordan, and it's honestly amazing. So let's check it out. So on a previous video I posted last week about Jordan's clutch being destroyed, some of you guys might know, but I actually set up a GoFundMe for Jordan, you know, so the DBP squad can help him out and get his clutch repaired and whatnot. So as you guys can see, we set a goal for $700, and you can see 59 people in 6 days have raised $890 to help Jordan out. And honestly, guys, it blew our minds. Jordan is super thankful for it. He just got so excited when he saw that, like, we reached the goal and he can now purchase all his new things. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll through these donations real quick. And again, guys, thank you so much. You have no idea how much this helps him. And I hope many of you guys obtained some good karma from this, because giving back is always excellent. So thank you. So really quick, guys, these are all the people that helped out Jordan. And if you see your name, make sure you drop a comment down below and I will heart them as I go through the comments tonight. And guys, again, you really helped him. This is beyond incredible. And like I said, Jordan is so excited and overwhelmed about it. So that's awesome to hear. And we're gonna get his car all fixed up, ready to go, and you best believe there will be footage on it here shortly. So thank you again, guys. I can't stress that enough. And yeah, appreciate it. Anyways, guys, as I said, that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did enjoy the hoonage from them two, or them three, make sure you drop a like on this video, drop a comment with any questions or concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out goes out to Junior46. Thank you so much for your continued support, man, and make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. And if any of you guys want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP Squad on all your posts. As you guys know, every time I film videos such as this one, I go to hashtag, I see who used it, and boom, shout out. Anyways, guys, like I said, that's today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you Wednesday. But until next time, we'll see you later.
Blow up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.